Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today's video I'll show you how to clear Google Maps history. So on your Google Map app, go for your profile. Now go to settings. After that scroll down a little bit and you can see Maps history here. Click on it. Now you can see here is a delete option. Click on this arrow button and you can go for delete today, delete or delete custom range, delete all time, or auto delete. You can choose any of it, or you can just uh, cross from here and delete it from here. So this is how you can delete search history on Google Maps. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.